leeks. They're not the easiest ingredient to deal with, so I'll show you how to clean them, to cut them and to clean them. Now, I have found that you cannot really wash leeks when they are full like this. So the best thing you can do is to cut them, separate the leaves from the stalk. Yeah, let me just demonstrate with one so that you can repeat what I'm doing. So take out these really like hard parts, the outer skin, which is dried up. Take a knife, just go around like that. Okay, easy enough. So do that to all of them. With the leaves, you can just pluck the really dry parts and throw the rest away. Stalks and leaves. So we're going to cut the stalks first. Go right through like that. Sort of like you're cutting them into quarters. Okay. Now notice that I haven't cleaned them yet. And the reason is the same as I explained before, that you can never properly clean them if they are uncut. Okay, so just cut them into quarters like that. Let that sit for, like I said, like 20 minutes.